Moiboo Workshop Software. How to use Universal Search. This guide explains how to quickly locate transactions, customer records, stock inventory, and invoices across the entire system using Universal Search in Moiboo Workshop Software. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open Universal Search. Log in to your Moiboo Workshop Management System portal. In the top navigation bar header, near your login profile and notifications icon, click the magnifying glass search icon. Step 2. Enter search criteria and execute. In the search input field, type any keyword related to what you are searching for, such as customer name, part name like Benz, invoice number, or vehicle plate number. Click the search button. Step 3. Review search results. The system scans all system records and displays matching entries in a unified tabular format. Date shows the record creation or transaction date. Type categorizes the entry, such as invoice, performer invoice, stock, job card, etc. Number displays the document or reference identification number. Name displays the customer, contact person, or inventory item description, such as alternator bands, Benz oil filter.
Amount lists the associated total transaction value. Status displays the real-time record status batch, paid, draft, send, etc. Step 4. Take action on search results. Locate the desired record from the search list. Click the Action drop-down menu next to the item to view details, edit the entry, or generate related billing or job documents.